So here I concluded my chocolate fudge class on a Sunday because many people who cannot join the weekday fudge class, I came specially for few people who requested me for the weekend classes. Now this is a chocolate fudge class. I've come up with some traditional flavors with packaging. Okay, today we've done a very new flavor. This was a surprise flavor, which is our Kalakand. Okay, so that's our Kalakand fudge which we did today. First I spoke about the right proportion. What is fudge? The difference between a fudge and a chocolate mithai. Chocolates are chocolates. These are fudge which are soft, chewy and melt in the mouth texture. Okay, so if you touch it, there has to be a dent. Okay, see this, how it is. When you press it, there has to be a dent. Even this is your soft, very soft. This is like a very nice soft texture of your pan. Okay, let's start with your first one. I first started with a pistachio blueberry fudge. So rose, pistachio, blueberry fudge. This is how the look is. Okay, then we did a sandwich style biscoff with a biscuit in the center. So we have a sandwich fudge. We've done Brazilian fudge. Brazilian fudge, I told you, see the shape slightly goes down, but it is definitely going to be soft like how this is. I showed you how the texture should be. Okay, this is how the fudgy texture should be of your Brazilian fudge. We've made it with 3 different ways: dry fruit, mixed seeds and cocoa. Okay, so that's your mixed seed and your cocoa. Okay, then we have done our pan, Shahi pan Gulkand fudge with rosebuds on the top. Okay, Kalakand and your Rocky Road, or you can say a mixed dry fruit dark chocolate fudge. This is how it looks. And today we've done something different, which is a double layer fudge. So we have our dark chocolate and a Kalakand on top. Okay, so that's your dark chocolate Kalakand fudge. We've also done our rose fudge, red velvet in rose shape. So red velvet fudge. And this is a box that I have shown you today. So we have all the assorted fudge here, one piece of each. Big pieces if you want to keep it as a bar. Close it with the lid. So you have a lid to close it on, or I told you individually wrap it like I showed you the wrapping of individual fudge. Or you put a lid, close your box, okay, and put your Happy Diwali emblem and your ribbon wrapping. Okay, this is also one way of doing it. One box was this box, the box of 18. Okay, so this also can be done. Now it's all your choice. Suppose you want to do in baskets, okay, like different kinds of baskets. What you will do is, or a tray, you will make big bars rather than small. Cavities के लिए आप छोटे कर दो for cavity holders. For trays and for baskets and hampers and all, it's better you keep big bars. So you have a line of fudge bars. That also looks very nice. So in your trays, like wooden trays, like I have these wooden trays, you can place them all straight line mein. Okay, so that also you can do an assortment, a mithai with a fudge combination, your healthy bars with a fudge and mithai combination. So you have an assortment of different items, and that you call it as your premium hamper, Diwali hamper with all different assortments. Okay, so I had 9 students today who joined me for the fudge class. Those who wish to join for tomorrow's advanced premium range, I think many people who've done the mithai class, there's an offer going on for the advanced premium range, which is my hand-picked chocolates curated specially for Diwali. I'm teaching the Florentines, almond brittles and the Torrons and pan bites, of course. So these are some very fast moving items for Diwali. So those who wish to enroll for tomorrow's class, do let me know. Okay, any questions?
Kashish, what is the difference between chocolate fudge and chocolate mithai?
Yeah,
Okay,
so,
just yesterday's class.
correct. So that's what I'm saying. Chocolate mithais are only chocolates. They are hard. They are not going to be like how this was soft. Okay, so that's a hard texture, and that's like a chocolate but flavored in different ways. I have given a flavor of mithais. Okay, but there also we are working with lot of flavoring combinations and all. So you have a lot of options. My students abroad only have done chocolate mithais. I have Kenya
And
students,
also
Dubai.
compound chocolates?
Yeah, compound. That's also with compound.
Can those